Hi, this is Abhinaya. This is a video for Web Technology Quiz number 9 working with Ajax. Ajax is an asynchronous JavaScript XML. In this, we use XML HTTP request object to connect the server side, and then this allows can able to communicate with any format like XML and XML, HTML, and even text it can able to communicate. And then in this exercise, I've created a login page. Login page, username and password. The username is correct. It just moves to the next page, welcome page. And then if it is not going to, if it is a username is not correct, it's going to um, it's it's going to throw an error. And then in this, I have designed using Ajax. First, I explain you the code. First, in this, since I'm going to give a registration page, I have use a heading called registration page, and then I want to create a form. So that I've used a form action, and then I want to move to the next page called database, and then I have used a method called get. This I have created two text boxes called username and password with the name, and then for password name is password, and then when I click on that, it must move to the function called the check user, and then it will pass this current value code one. And then to give submit, I have created a button called the submit button, and then this value is registered. And then here is my that's code. Others code must be written in script. So I'm just going to create a function called check user, and this I'm just passing the value of gesture which we got from the text box, the username. And the first time is uh, uh, create an object for a HTML HTTP request. So I'm just creating a HTML HTTP request. I'm just storing HTML XML HTTP, and then I'm just opening connection. So get a open connection. The XML HTTP I'm getting it open, and then I'm giving the method. Since I have used get method, I'm using get, and then I want just to pass this value to the check.php, and then to the name. So check.php to the name, and then just passing the value of this str, and if connection is true, and then if it's true, and then just HTML will send the message, and then if XML HTTP already stated, then it equates the function, and then it just checks the function. If the ready state is equal to 4 and the status is equal to 200, and then just to displays a message by using, so that I'm giving the document get element ID by 10, and the unit text is equal to this response text will be displayed. And then for database, to create a communication with the database, so I'm just going to get the value from the user. So first I'm getting the username in a username, and then getting, since the method is get, I'm just going to give get method, and then this is the name of the text box is name. I'm given the name, and then same thing for password. I used get method, and then just giving the name of the password, and then what encrypt from message, so that I've used the SHA-1, and then given the name, passing this password value, and then I want to establish a connection with the database. So I've used MySQL I connect local, and then I must give the local host root, the password, and the database name company, and then I'm just storing this value in con variable of any variable in PHP, and then I'm just checking the condition. If the connection is not established, just throw an error. So if is not equal to, it will throw an error, MySQL error. And then next thing is to create a query. So I'm just storing in the query, and then just putting into the value, my query is insert into users. I created a table called users, and then it has two columns called username and password, and just pass in the values of username and the password. And then I want to execute my query. To execute my query, I will use a MySQL query, and then the connection variable, and then the variable stores that my query, and then just storing into the result. If the result is not equal to it, just stores an error. Otherwise, it will establish for us you are registered successfully. Before execution of this program, I must start Apache and MySQL. So I'll just show how my program is used. So registration page, that is through variable username. So I'm just going to enter my value, some 266 something like that, and then I'm just going to give my password as for some password which already exists. We will just show an error. If the connection is not established, also it just show an error. and then both the connection and then it has been successfully stored in the register, so it's showing you are registered successfully. In order to see whether my thing has been established in the my database, I can just give localhost and it direct to the page. I'll show you whether mine got updated in my table or not. Yeah, this is my table name for company user table. Here you can see my data has been updated to this table. So this is how Ajax works. Thank you.